profit organization dedicated to bringing arts and culture to our waterfront. They put on tons of events in this area, free concerts at that stage. There's food festivals, I think, happening every Saturday this summer. So a great place to come and hang out down by the water. Now coming into view, this white footbridge here, the Toronto International City Airport. Has a very long name for a very small airport. International because they go to one other country. Japan. Not the United States. We don't have any ocean crossing loopholes in those laws. You see, we exported a lot of beer at the time. And not wanting to limit revenue, the government said, well, you can still brew the beer. You can still sell the beer, export it. You're just not allowed to drink it. You can imagine how well that worked. You could also go to church and spend all their money at our entertainment district. But by the 1930s, that money had dried up. The Great Depression saw many of these businesses fail. The 1940s, Toronto faced a housing crisis. They had increasing population due to many people fleeing Europe after the war. If you didn't get that perfect postcard shot for your holidays, we have another tour at 3 o'clock.
Toronto. You got lots of view. Toronto there. คุณยายก็กำลังแอคชั่นสนใจเราอยากมาเล่นมาเที่ยวหนาวๆนอนอยู่ทะเล
When she was still alive, I would wait as we went by, but I don't do that anymore. The green rooms. Now, the reason I spent a minute so we can see this building, I want you to look at that building. I imagine in 1929, that was the tallest building